like a mile. How you eat there? You don't know say. How you get this from?
Food. I went to eat after.
Me tell you if you go movies.
Yeah.
Why you end up going to eat?
I saw Mr. Maxwell and his wife out there arguing.
In that place?
Yeah, you want a fork?
Yeah, give me the fork.
Yes, I saw them arguing.
Alayate.
Yeah, she was out there with the man that cleaned the building. That's what she was doing.
The super?
Yes, the super.
Churras.
It was a whole thing. The cops came and everything.
I get that knife. We passed 12 o'clock.
But mom, he threw water in her face.
I didn't know them right there. Why you not gonna help the super take out garbage?
Right?
Them did a hump. I can't believe this. Yeah, look at water.
Yeah.
Me tell you, woman, to stop cheat on her husband. Mr. Sitting is a good man.
Yeah.
What a sneaking all that. You never come back home so late though. Me not like it. Me not like it at all. Come here though. Let me tell you something. You kick me in your face. Kick it in your face.